that shows this. So, the handout from yesterday shows the shape graph.
Yeah.
So first off, I want to acknowledge that this has to be an absolute value equation. And y equals the absolute value of x would be the v shape, but it would be at 0, 0 of 1 over 1. And then yesterday on the top of your handout, you saw this model. And we talked about a number inside the bracket indicates, is this one the left, right, or is the K the left, right? Inside the thing left, right, or outside left, right? Yeah, this one here will do the up, down shift. And this one here does the left, right shift. And that's always opposite of how it looks. And then out here, if there's a negative, it'll flip it across. Or if it's more than one, it'll stretch it. Or if it's less than one, it'll shrink it. And that's all different ideas that we talked about yesterday. So, what's number 1? The vertex. So I haven't even really been real clear about this, but the vertex is the center point. I said it out loud yesterday. I think I wrote it once. So I'm going to come around and see if at least 3 people can have that center point written down. No, what's the center point? What's the pointy part? I'm not going to put it up there until I know 3 people have it down. What's the pointy part? And there's a video that goes to the handout posted.
Yeah, who's gonna watch it?
Don't yet. No, just say what is the point? What is the XY coordinate pair? Who else was actually answering it?
Well, unless you know.
There's a video. What's the XY ordered pair where this thing hits its vertex, its point? I got one person got it.
Oh.
I got 2 people got it. One more person already on the board. Where's the pointy point? Hello? No. He's not here yet. Where is the pointy point? So here's the x-axis. Here's the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's -4.
So it's -1.
But I'm looking for an x comma y ordered pair for the vertex. What's the point? All right, I got people. This ordered pair right here is -4, 2. -4 to the vertex. So seeing where the vertex is helps you identify the transformations from the center. Got it, Victor? -4, 2. Diego, I think you just had a 3. Yeah. So maybe because you're sitting back there and you're looking up here. That's just 2. Pretty close. Pretty close. All right. What's our second question say? Horizontal and vertical translation. So we need to identify how far left and right it is from this one that's always in the center, the parent function. So how far up is it from 0, 0? 2. It's shifted up 2. Because the typical one in the center, the origin's here. This guy is actually 2 higher. And then how far left is it? 4. Vertical translation of 2. Horizontal translation of -4. So the vertex, if you identify the center, it kind of tells you how far up and over it is. Because the parent function, the typical original, is right up 0, 0. So this one's left 4 and up 2. Number 3. What is the slope of the increasing branch? So this slope, if I count, here's a point, and here's a point. It's up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. So that right side has a rise over run of up 3, right 1. And so number 4, you can't see it, is to write the equation. So to put all this together, I start with just the absolute value of x. Since there's a stretch of 3, I put a 3 in front. And since it's left 4, I put a +2. And since it's up 2, I put a +2 at the end. This is the equation for this picture. Left 4, up 2 with a stretch of 3. 3 concepts here. All right, guys, let's get into big ideas math. Open it up. Some pretty tricky questions in there. Should go through together. Your test tomorrow is on big ideas math. It was made by the district. I think what I'm going to do is give you a couple of paper questions that are a little more basic because those district questions are so complicated. So we can try a little basic test questions and complicated questions.